Hi guys, Parm at Car Audio and welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you another brief update on the Ferrari F430 that we've got in at the minute, which we're doing a major project on. You may have seen the last episode where I covered the air install, and in this episode, this is the last time you're going to see it in its standard body form because it is on its way to Colourcraft to have the Liberty Walk body kit fitted. Now, before it leaves, I just want to give you an update on the audio because it's all been installed now. So let's check out the audio and run through what we've installed. So before I go into what's been installed, let's take a look at what's been taken out. I'll start off with the OEM speakers. That's the OEM speakers, very light, not hardly any weight to them. Don't know what brand they are, made in Italy, but I'm sure they've served their time. And those are the little tweeters that came out of the little quarter lights. Amplifier that was hidden up underneath the dashboard, and then head unit, Ferrari head unit, which is manufactured by Parm Becker. So obviously we've now installed something that's more up to date, which has got Bluetooth, DAB and CarPlay and stuff. And then these are the original subs that were in the car just between the two seats, and they sit just behind you. And that's now been taken out as well. Now, the exciting part, let's move on to what we've installed into the 430. Oh, as well as the audio, it's also had a ThinkAware dash cam fitted as well. Now, head unit wise, we've gone for a Pioneer AV8Z 7200 DAB. There's no easy way of doing a double din in these cars, so we went for a motorized monitor. Now, the AV8 7200 DAB is one of the only motorized screens available on the market at the moment, which carries DAB, Bluetooth, CarPlay, Android Auto. So that's hence the reason we went for that. And also the sound quality is fairly good as well. Subwoofer wise, we've gone for a JL Audio TW3. We have fabricated a new box that's now sitting between the front seats. Components in the front, again, JL Audio C3s in the front. And we've gone with a JL Audio MX600/3 amp, which is powering the front speakers and the subwoofer. Now, this amp is comfortably delivering 75 watt RMS to each of the front components, and it's delivering 400 RMS to the subwoofer. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I've had a listen. It sounds really nice. Right, so apart from the sub box, everything audio wise in this car is again located and mounted in the OEM locations. As you can see, original speaker grills used, speakers are installed behind the door card, and obviously the tweeter as well. We've used the OEM housings, so everything's covert, if you like. And also the amp has gone, it fitted really nicely actually under here, which is where the OEM amp was mounted, and the JL MX600 fits in there like a glove. So that's all hidden away as well. If you have a look behind me here, so we've gone a little bit different with this. This is the new subwoofer box that we fabricated, and all had it all covered and stitched up in leather as well. That's the customer's signature that we had embroidered into the leather for him as well. Now the subwoofer is actually mounted behind and it's firing backwards. It sounds absolutely brilliant. The airlift controller we still need to make a mount for that. That's probably going to go somewhere here, I think. So yeah, let's have a listen. Wow, that does sound very impressive. Obviously, the JL Audio tweeters deliver your tops, which are crystal clear. The mid-range speakers are delivering plenty of mid-range and actually there's quite a bit of mid bass coming out of them as well, which is really nice. And then obviously the subwoofer is delivering the lows. And I'll be honest with you, when you sit in this car, it's going to be such a pleasure to drive with the awesome sound quality. And there you have it. And so the customer now has everything he needs. Bluetooth, DAB, CarPlay, he's got the lot. He can even use Waze as well if he's got Waze downloaded. And when he's not needing the screen, you can fold it away. Like I said, there's not many decent motorized monitors left on the market now, but Pioneer, it's the go-to for a motorized screen. Look at that. Love it. Before you go, I just want to show you a mock-up of the subwoofer box that we did, so you'll understand how the subwoofer's mounted as well. There you go. So if I turn it round, the subwoofer's actually mounted behind, so it's firing to the back of the wall, and yeah, it's rebounding the bass off there. Very nice rounded sound, sounds absolutely wicked. I'm off now. I'm going to go and drop this car off to Colourcraft or our friends at Liberty Walk in Northampton, and I'll see you back in the next episode where the Liberty Walk kit should be all mounted. The wheels should be here by then as well. At that point we will be nearing completion on this project, so yeah, if you hang about, keep an eye out for the next episode, and I'll be back in a few weeks, hopefully to show you the finished article. I'll see you then. And listen, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because we've got a whole load more content coming your way. So if you want to be notified as to what's coming up, click the subscribe button, the bell icon. You know what you need to do. Just make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you probably in the new year. Just in case you guys are wondering, what's this guy blabbering on about, or he can't get his words out, I just want to add that all my videos, they're one take. They're not scripted, they're not planned, they are a single take. And most of the time it's the first take that we go with, so just bear that in mind, yeah?